Good evening, friends. This is time for trade review of 1st of Feb 2021. See, today's video is very important for people to learn how not to be a deer in the headlights, how to be flexible and taking the other side when the market action shows that, and how our platinum service is very adept at doing that. We can come in with one view, but quickly turn on our head and take the other side. So today has been a great day for our platinum members and other services because we didn't know what's going to happen in the budget, but we were positioned both, in the afternoon after the budget was announced and even before the budget speech started, we had positions, long positions on Bank Nifty. All the time we managed our risk and finally came out ahead on a day when we didn't expect the market to go up very strongly, on a day when things played out in a manner which was different to what we expected. See, expected is very easy to play, but it is the unexpected, out of syllabus, which needs you to have a balanced mind. So if you haven't still, like, share, subscribe this video. It's going to be very interesting, and for people who want to make real money, get onto the platinum button and uh, get real time advice. So let's see what we did since the morning. First of all, do you want to see the S&P 500? Excuse me. This is S&P 500, and nothing much going on. If you see, the S&P 500 has a bearish sort of a bar, I would say, and it's kind of giving up from its opening level. So I would say at the moment flattish. Now let's see what happened on the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty early in the morning, it started and it first went down and kind of held on to this Friday's low. So this was the first indication that the market is not intending to break this low. But the more interesting thing happened on the Bank Nifty, which gapped up, I think 450 odd points. So this is Bank Nifty. Look carefully. It gapped up, came off, again went up. This became some kind of resistance line, and this was broken before the budget happened, and even before banking uh, proposals were announced. You had this sort of upside which happened. So we took our 50% Bank Nifty, 32,000 calls around here, and the first bit of trade was kind of covered here. Then the proposals came and Bank Nifty suddenly shot up. Then it started to come down on these three bars. This is where we entered the Bank Nifty second time around. And again, as the Bank Nifty broke out of this zone, we started to take profits. Why? Because if you enter here, let me use this pen. See, the issue here was that we didn't know what proposals would come or not come. When we entered here, our stop loss is here. So you shouldn't have a trade on where the risk reward is not in your favor. This was basically a momentum trade. Now, for a amateur trader who by chance got long, possibly had a better day than the professional trader who wanted to manage his risk all the time. So, like I said in the previous video, that in case 14,000 and 31,000 is crossed, we would set aside our bearish view. And if you use that parameter on the Bank Nifty, you were out very early on in the day. So that is how you look at trading, that at some point all views are given up and you listen to the market. The issue with people who are still expecting that market will turn and will go down is that they are not listening to the market. In my view, while people may not find anything exciting about the budget, I think what has really fired the market is this idea of PSU bank divestment, the idea of bad bank, and opening the insurance sector, because all of these things bring in large capital into the country. Plus, you had a market which was short and you had global cues which were decent. So, hence, it created this sort of a big short covering. The FIIs have still bought only 1,500 crores. So, while going home, what we did was we took home State Bank, yeah, these bloody free platforms. Let me open. Excuse me, please bear with me. So this is State Bank of India. Now, State Bank of India had this kind of a bar. We got in somewhere near this 306 kind of zone. And finally, State Bank of India, I think it closed around 315. So this is something we took home because the PSU bank sector was higher. The other stock we took home as BTST was Canara Bank. Again, mid-cap PSU bank. It had this large move and now it's consolidating. Chances are tomorrow in the morning session, you will get upside on both these banks. So we have great diversification in this platinum product where the moment we get out of index, we get into individual stocks. We have a portfolio that did very well today. So the idea is that, you keep taking money off as you make it. And at all times have risk control in place, enter areas very near to support zones, and then trail your stops and keep your money at risk for the shortest period of time. Today has been a great day. What you can see is that we are trying to do more consistency than taking huge large profits, because the idea is to make a living from the market and to do it at the minimum possible risk. That should be it for today. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.